وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ, and when your Lord said to the angels, I am going to place in the earth the Khalifa. And the Khalifa meaning, in exact meaning of Khalifa is successor. The successor, someone was the ruler or who controls the earth, and now Allah replaced that one, and then Allah make another successor, make a successor for that one. And what I can understand, which is very obvious here, the Jinn was the Khalifa, Jinn was the ruling on the earth, was a master on the earth, and then Jinn was replaced with the human being now. And that is the reason the Jinn was not accepting the Adam as Khalifa on earth, because of jealousy. Because if you are in any department, any house, or if any family or any office, whenever the power given to someone, those who are hunger for the power, they become jealous. Anywhere in the world. Even the small matter, when somebody is supervisor and you change him to make another supervisor, he started to become jealousy in himself. That's why jealousy is forbidden. So successor was Adam to Jinn. And among the Jinn, like the head of all the human beings, the father of all the human beings is Adam. So who is the father of all the Jinn? The Jinn are who are made from the fire, and human beings are made from the soil. And the head of all the creation of human being, all the creation of human being, the father is Adam. Similarly, the father of all the Jinn is Iblis. So which we call Shaitan today, and we ask Allah to protect us from Shaitan. And we know the Shaitan is a bad name, which is like devil.